See.
I will handle this. I will handle everything.
You are one Kego jurors by name.
Yes, sir. Kego for short.
Okay. I read that you have experience as a cashier.
Yes, I do.
Okay. If I may ask, what is a major challenge in this job?
What can I say? My years of challenges is over because I've had so many experience and I'm already exposed in this job. So I know that any challenges that comes my way in this my work, I will pick it up, sir.
Okay, I'm looking forward for your service.
Thank you, sir. I know I will make you proud, sir.
Okay. You can also take care.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I will not disappoint you.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, you have to start work.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I will not disappoint you. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I have news for everyone. This is Nwakego, the new salon cashier. The reason why I brought her in is to help us to mind your position in this salon. And any work we do in this salon, try and hand over the money to her. Then Nwakego, after your balance every day, hand over all the money to Jacinta because she is the manager of this salon. Thank you very much. Do you have a question?
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Why are you giving me 5,000?
That's what I need to do.
What do you mean?
Yes?
You're meant to give me 6,000. You attended to 3 customers.
Now, what thing I make today? Now, not me make the hair.
You can't tell me that.